Well, as you can hear, we have planes flying. Our brother's in the background mowing his lawn, and I need to get busy too. We do have spotty clouds out here, and the sun's coming up. It's beautiful out here right now. It's a little over 60 degrees, but it feels very warm. So anyway, I need to get out and go weed the garden. Shoot. Oh man, that was a long drive. Got my gloves. Let's take a look at the garden, see what it looks like before I get going here. See what's coming up or whatever. Oh, I see we have one of the potatoes coming up. There's another one over here. There's another nice one over there. So they are coming. These are doing quite well. I have two cauliflower over here. And these here are the bell pepper. And of course the snapdragon. You can see little bits of grass coming up. We were looking forward to seeing maybe sunflower seeds popping up, which I don't see any. Over here we have two more. That one doesn't look too good, but I'm sure it'll make it. These are the cauliflower, and these are the cabbage. You can see the Canadian thistle all through here is just coming up crazy like. Let's see, I have the tomatoes. Those look like they're doing fine. Step over here. These are the watermelon. See all the weeds growing up around. Let's see. This watermelon, I don't know. It looks like it might have disappeared. And that watermelon looks like it disappeared. Well, we do have one plant still here. Darn it anyway. And of course over here we have the Acorn Squash. 3 of them. And the corn's not doing too bad either. It's a little over ankle high now. Some of them are bigger. And over here we have our, oh my goodness, cucumbers. They're not doing too bad. So anyway, let me get in here and start hoeing and pulling these weeds. Now this is Dad's fig tree. We thought we lost it. Some of it died out, but you can see we do have buds coming up. And his other fig, I don't see anything coming up around it. Nope. We do have budding coming on, so they're taking a little bit, but they're doing it. This is a hollyhock. The bugs seem to like it. I'll try to keep it watered this year and see if we can get taller blooms than what came before. These are full of seeds still if I wanted to plant them. I don't remember what color it is, but it seems to me it was considered a black hollyhock. So anyway, like I say, let me get to weeding. Well, got Dad's lawnmower filled up the gas, filled the tires up, and he's off. In the garden, I went ahead and weeded it. I left the thistles, I just chopped them off. I'm not gonna deal with too much. It's probably more work, but whatever. Anyway, it's weeded. And now, I think I'm gonna take off and show you a couple of the flowers around here. Dad's small snowball bush, beautiful. See, some of the blooms are getting old. Of course, it didn't help with all the rain we've had on these flowers, but just the same, they're beautiful. Dad's golden locust, or golden chain, not locust, it's a golden chain tree. There's a little hummingbird over there on that bush. I don't know if you can see it. The tree's probably fogging it. It's on the top. Yeah, like I say, they're pretty tame around here. He's probably 15 feet in front of me. And you can hear Dad in the background. He's out in the trees mowing branches. That's so cute to see that hummingbird though, eating on the flowers. Get this closer again. He's just enjoying that plant, and there he goes. He's over here, taking a break in the tree. I don't know where he went. Oh, he's searching for more flowers over there. Over here, Dad took his pond out. Roy and I got it out of there, and Roy tilled this up and planted new grass, and look at it grow. Looks good.